I would definitely use music, because think about it. You have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's in a measure. So if you have, let's say your point in this graph for frequency is each beat. It's not the end, the sub, what do you call it? The sub counting. So not the and, but the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So a regular wave that follows the frequency points is the quarter note. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 beats per this measure. And let's just say this is a wave. So for every first beat you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. But let's say that this wave is actually eighth notes. So instead of having quarter note, you have an eighth note. And there are 8 of these per measure. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this as a wave will then look like this. You see how many crests have passed in this measure than the quarter note wavelength? So this is not exactly, I don't know, this is how I would explain it. So yeah. And then you can correlate this to wavelength as well. So the frequency is lower when the beats are longer, and the frequency is higher when the beats are shorter. And it works like that in science too. Frequency and music have a lot in common. You could get the hertz, which is the measurement. We'll go over the measurements later.